Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to back up your text messages on Android. Backing up your messages on Android helps you easily transfer information to another phone or a new device while keeping your data safe. And here's a clean steps and easy to follow guide. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap the Google, then go to All Services and scroll down and find the backup. Tap the backup, then go to other device data. Make sure backup to Google One is turned on. Then check that SMS and MMS messages are included in the backup list. And also make sure to log in your Google account. Now let's go back, then tap the backup now to start a manual backup. Wait until the backup process completes, then confirm the status shows backup complete. Go back to settings, tap accounts or passwords and accounts, depending on device. Select your Google account. Make sure sync is turned on. And your text messages are now safely backed up and can be restored on a new Android phone. Helpful notes. Backups usually happen automatically when charging, idle, and on Wi Fi. Messages restore automatically when you sign in on a new phone. And some brands like Samsung also offer brand specific backups. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.